Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Innovation Roundtable Online Live.
Good morning, everyone. It's morning for me. It's just after 9 a.m. on the east coast of the USA.
Right now, we have
Today I'm really going to talk about a framework and a mindset that hopefully you'll get some inspiration from.
We have to be more diverse in our thinking.
We want to lower our risk while iterating and pivoting with our customers.
I would like to invite another attendee onto the stage with a question.
Now I'm very curious to hear what you came up with.
Thank you for that point. You're absolutely right.
Thank you very much. I have a pirate with me at the moment.